If you are a beginner trying to make money online, let me warn you, most beginners fail. Not because there is no opportunity, but because they start the wrong way. Let me tell you about Alex. Alex had a smartphone. He had internet access. He had time. But at the end of every month, zero income. Every day, he saw screenshots on WhatsApp of people sharing testimonials about how they made money. One would say, I made $500 today. Another would say, I just closed a $1,000 deal. And he kept asking himself, is this thing real? Or is everyone just pretending? Alex did what most beginners do. He started chasing trends. One week, he was interested in crypto. The next week, his interest shifted to dropshipping. Another week, it moved to affiliate marketing. After that, Forex. Then Amazon FBA. Then TikTok automation. His interest kept shifting from one niche to another, from one opportunity to another. Every week, a new opportunity. Every week, a new excitement, but zero mastery. He wasn't building skill. He was chasing excitement. Let that sink in. And that is the biggest mistake beginners make. Most beginners don't focus, don't give anything time. They expect fast results, quit too early, believe hype. Please understand this. Confusion kills consistency. And without consistency, nothing grows. Alex wasn't lazy. He was just scattered. If you've ever jumped from one method to another, this video might change your approach. One day, Alex asked himself a powerful question. What can I already do? Not what's trending, not what's flashy, but what he could already do. Then he realized he could type fast. He could design simple flyers with Canva. He could write simple captions. So he signed up on Fiverr. Understand that this question Alex asked himself was what changed everything. Also note, he didn't ask, what is trending? What is flashy? What will make me rich fast? But what can I already do that someone might pay for? In other words, what problem can I solve? That question changed his direction. Fiverr is a platform where people from around the world look for freelancers. It's a global marketplace for talent. This is how it works. You sign up, you create a profile, you list your service, clients place orders. Simple, but not easy. What is freelancing? Freelancing simply means offering your skill to people who need it and getting paid per task or per project. You are not employed. You are not on salary. You are paid for value delivered. Examples beginners can start with: graphic design Canva, writing blog posts, caption writing, video editing, transcription, voiceover, data entry, thumbnail design, logo design. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be useful. Now let me slow down here and emphasize the key points, because this first method is where many beginners should actually start. Freelancing. Alex didn't believe he had any special talent. He thought freelancing was only for professionals, programmers, experts. But he was wrong. Now back to the story. First week, no orders. He refreshed his dashboard every hour. Morning, afternoon, night. Nothing. Second week, nothing. He almost deleted his account. He began doubting himself. Maybe I'm not good enough. He almost quit. This is where most beginners stop. Understand this. The marketplace tests your patience before it rewards your effort. Instead of quitting, Alex improved 3 things. 1, his profile picture. 2, his gig description. 3, his sample work. Now, here is the point. If you choose freelancing, your profile must look professional. Your description must clearly explain benefits. Your samples must show proof. Presentation affects perception. But on the 3rd week, a notification entered. $5 logo design. Alex was excited but nervous. He over-delivered. He delivered before deadline. He communicated politely. Client left 5-star review. That review was more valuable than the $5. Why? Because reviews build trust. Trust brings more orders. After the first review, second order came, then another, then referrals. Freelancing grows like a snowball. Slow at first, faster later. Now, let me show you some common mistakes beginners must avoid. Mistake 1, trying to offer 10 services at once. Mistake 2, charging too much without reviews. Mistake 3, delivering late. Mistake 4, poor communication. Mistake 5, quitting too early. Understand this. Skill gets you clients. Character keeps them. You may ask, how much can a beginner make? At first, $5 jobs, $10 jobs, $20 jobs. But as skill improves, $100, $300, $500 per project. Don't focus on $1,000 first. Focus on your first $10. My advice for complete beginners is this. If you don't have a skill yet, learn one. Here are the free places to learn. Free places to learn: YouTube tutorials, practice projects, helping friends for free at first. Free practice today can become paid expertise tomorrow. Alex's life didn't change overnight, but something inside him changed. He no longer felt helpless. He felt capable. And sometimes that is the real beginning of wealth. Freelancing taught Alex something powerful. Income is not magic. It is value exchanged. But then he discovered something else. You can earn even without creating your own product. Alex discovered a method where he didn't need to create products, didn't need inventory, didn't need employees. He discovered a way to earn by promoting other people's products. And the first time he made money from it, he didn't believe it was real. In part 2, I'm going to break it down step by step. What it is, how beginners are using it, and the mistakes that can cost you money. And trust me, most people are doing it the wrong way. So those are the first legit ways you can start making money online right now, even as a beginner. If this video gave you clarity, don't just watch and leave. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss part 2. But listen, in part 2, I'm going to break down affiliate marketing in a way most people don't explain it. And trust me, that one can change your financial story if you do it properly. Drop a comment and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Part 2 is where it gets even more practical. I'll see you in part 2. Your phone can entertain you, or it can empower you. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Your attention to this is greatly appreciated.